Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make bread and butter pickles using an easy method. This classic recipe is perfect for preserving your garden's bounty or simply enjoying a delightful snack. We'll walk through each step, from preparing the cucumbers to sealing the jars, ensuring a crisp and flavorful result every time. Get ready to create a batch of these sweet and tangy pickles that your family will absolutely love, perfect for sandwiches or as a side dish. First, let's prepare our star ingredient, the cucumbers. You'll need about 4 pounds of fresh pickling cucumbers. Slice them into uniform 1/8-inch rounds. Next, thinly slice 2 large onions and combine them with the cucumbers in a large bowl. Sprinkle 1/4 cup of canning or pickling salt over the vegetables. Gently toss everything together, then let the mixture rest for at least 3 hours. This crucial step helps draw out excess water, ensuring your pickles stay wonderfully crisp. Now for the heart of our pickles, the brine. In a large pot, combine 2 cups of apple cider vinegar with 2 cups of granulated sugar. Stir in 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of celery seeds, and 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric. This blend of spices gives bread and butter pickles their distinctive flavor and vibrant color. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat, stirring until the sugar fully dissolves. Then, reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Thoroughly drain the cucumber and onion mixture, pressing out any remaining liquid. Tightly pack the drained vegetables into clean, sterilized pint jars. Carefully pour the hot brine over the cucumbers, ensuring they are fully submerged and leaving 1/2 inch of headspace at the top of each jar. Wipe the rims clean, apply the lids and bands, then process the jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. Allow them to cool and cure for at least 2 weeks before enjoying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.